What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stocko YouTube channel. If you feel any of this video gives you better information about the company we're talking about today, which is Paysafe, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be going over a lot more companies in the future, but I feel you're really going to like the information I'm going to provide you today because this is some, information that is listed on Paysafe's website. These are real documents of company people buying the company. There's a lot of good stuff to see in the direction that Paysafe is headed in the near future. This is just a company that's taken a little bit extra time to boil up before it really takes off. There's a lot of stuff backing behind Paysafe that is very close to all happening, and we're gonna go over these different variations real quick. But right now, as you can see, Paysafe has had a very rocky road, since its announcement, back in 2020. The company topped out at about $19 and has sold off nearly close to 50% from the high. And I just want you guys to know I'm heavily invested in Paysafe right around the $12 mark because I bought a little early. I have some options going out like 6, 7 months, something like that. So I really think we just need a little bit more time for this company to make a big move. But right now, we do know that the company is trading at an 8 billion market cap. So before buying a company, you always want to make sure, are you getting a good deal on this company? Are you getting a great valuation? Are you getting good growth and stuff like that? Well, if we go over to the investor presentation, the company does expect revenue for the year of 2021 of $1.5 billion. So, guys, this company right now is a massive company. I mean, there's SPAC stocks that are doing 50 million in revenue. So this company is doing nearly 30 times more revenue than some of these startups. So this is a massive company. And once you start getting into that 1, 2, 3 billion dollar range in revenue, the growth does seem to slow down a little bit. And as you can see right now, it does have a little bit lower growth on the company at 11% growth. But this is untapped potential with the iGaming sector that they are tackling right now inside of the United States. And we know that legalization of gambling, online gambling, DraftKings, all these different companies, is starting to heat up, and they are getting very, very deep in the piece of pie. They're getting in early. And the CEO on the, conference call that I listened to, he expects that well, before we get into that, we're gonna go over their last earnings report, and this will make more sense of what the CEO said. So, the first earnings report that they announced was not spectacular at all. It was very modest. It was growth. It was just like flat growth. Okay, the first quarter 2021 financials, revenue increased 5% from the year before. EBITDA was flat. Payment volume was up. Okay, and they pretty much said that they think this is because of the European lockdowns, which did happen all around the first quarter. It did affect their payment processing in certain sectors, but most importantly, the iGaming eCash sector was the one that was really hot. Okay, it was up nearly 66%, as we can see right here. Capitalization on strong momentum in North Eye Gaming, including 66% revenue growth. So their other different payment processings were significantly down, but the iGaming sector was very, very high. And there's no telling how high this could possibly go. But what the CEO was saying in the conference call was last year in 2020, what they're doing is they're pretty much cutting off certain business channels that they're not going to be using anymore. They're cutting off, like, think about it as like a Facebook ad, a Facebook ad that is not working any longer and is not doing as well as the other ad, like the ad A and B. You're going to shut off the ad A that's not doing as well as ad B. So they're pretty much doing that. They're shutting off channels of their business operation. Okay, they're cutting them off. Okay, and it's seeing a little bit of a pullback, as they get more into the revenue streams that they're trying to tackle, target, and market to. So they saw a little bit of a flat earnings call on their first call. So the CEO, what he was saying is, you're going to see all of these streamlines that we did, all of these business lines that we cut off, and all of these new business lines that we're targeting. You're going to see that start to happen at the end of the year in quarter two, three, and four. More importantly, quarter three and four. They expect revenue growth when all of this starts forming together of nearly 16, 17, 18% growth, guys, on a company this massive. Because I just did a video on the IPOE. I'm posting these at the same time today. These IPOE SoFi video. IPOE SoFi growth, just to give you a little understanding, the revenue is about half of Paysafe right now. They're seeing, growth in the 58% range. Okay. So that's going to slow down as they start growing bigger. It's going to come down to like 40% for the next year. So that's just how it works. Okay. The larger the company gets, the growth, it tends to slow down. But guys, when you're talking $1, $2, $3 billion companies growing at 20 to 50% range, I mean, this is absolutely massive. So they really think that they're going to hit it off by the end of the year in this iGaming sector. And guys, right now, we're getting price targets all across the board. 17, 18, 19, 19, 19 fair valuations, okay? If you just go to tip ranks and you type in Paysafe, guys, we're getting great price targets, right around 18, 58% upside right now. I mean, they're just absolutely, bullying this stock right now. And it's a massive company. And right now, on that 1.5 billion in revenue, this is trading at 5x sales, guys. I just did a video on the SoFi. It's trading at about 17x sales, a little bit higher growth. But with the growth of Paysafe that they're expecting of nearly 15, 16, 17, 18% range, which is high teens, on that, valuation of 5x sales, guys, this is an amazing buy right now. You're getting 5x sales with potential of 15% plus growth for this year. There's no telling how big the iGaming could be in 2, 3, 4, 5 years. And I'm telling you, I think that's what we're seeing right now with the smart money. Third Point LLC buys Paysafe. You're probably thinking, oh, just a small hedge fund, investment group buying Paysafe. Okay. Well, this company is selling Alibaba. They're selling Adobe, massive companies, and they're not just buying Paysafe. They're loading the out of this company right now. Guys, take a look. I mean, Daniel, I don't know his last name, how to say it, but Daniel Loeb, I'm not too sure. He loaded 41 million shares, nearly 4% of the total portfolio. Guys, this Daniel Loeb right here, this dude's worth 3.5 billion. He's loading millions and millions of shares at Paysafe. Guys, his average buy price right now is $13.50, okay? Even the smart money might never know, if the company is going to pull back like crazy, after, an earnings report. So I think a lot of new investors might have sold off, but guys, you're getting a 50% buy discount right now, nearly 50% buy discount. You're getting 5x sales. You're getting potential confirmation from the CEO when all these business moves that they made, lapse in 2021. You're going to be seeing, potential 15% plus growth on a company at 1.5 billion in revenue. Hey, that's a growth stock. We're going up, okay? I think the absolute, highest growth stocks in the world are seeing like, 40, 50%. So you can't make this up right now. It's warming up. You see the billionaires loading up 41 million shares, guys. I mean, that's what, at $10 a share, that's $500 million. I mean, there's a lot of different things we're seeing right now. And then the last earnings report, once again, I mean, guys, we still saw revenue growth. I mean, that's still impressive, even with the, Europe lockdown. Payment volumes are up. It's just a lot of different variations and business moves that they're making. They paid down all that debt, with the SPAC merger completed. So the company is in great financial terms right now. It's just taking a little bit of time, it seems like. That iGaming sector with, DraftKings. What's another company that they're working with right now? They're also working with Fortnite, Skills. There's so many different variations of companies that they're in right now, and those companies are heating up as well. They're tackling the US iGaming market, and they're already getting huge results with 60%, 66% revenue growth right now in that sector. So guys, there's no telling how large this can get. We're gonna see the numbers come out. Just give it a little bit more time. But I think this is a great time to buy in. I'm buying more every month. Every chance I get. So just wanted to bring this to your attention. A lot of people can just throw out price targets, but if you actually do the research, listen to the earnings calls, you're gonna see, there's a lot of opportunity in this company right now. So please, guys, if you feel this video gave you any information at all that you didn't know about Paysafe, be sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing more videos from here on out. Please give me a comment on any companies that you're invested in that you want me to do a video on. See if you're getting a great deal. I would really appreciate it. And once again, I want to say thanks, and I hope you have a great day.